Microsoft Defender Firewall is one of the many security features available on Windows 11 to protect your computer and files from outside threats as well as from inside threats trying to get out. While the Microsoft Defender Firewall does a pretty good job, meaning which app and feature should connect throughout the network automatically, sometimes you may need to allow or deny an app manually. This video will take you the step to allow or deny app access throughout the firewall on Windows 11. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Click Start menu, click Settings, click Privacy and Security. Then click Windows Security. Click on Firewall and Network Protection. Click the Allow an app throughout firewall option. Click the Change Settings button. Check the app to allow it throughout the Windows 11 firewall. Choose the private option for home or work or the public option to allow the app in public place. Click the OK button. Also, you can manually add the apps. Click the Allow an app throughout firewall option. Click the Change Settings button. Click Allow another app. Click Browse. Then select App. Click Add button. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.